keep our mind in silence now. Let the noise just fade somehow. Keep calm inside our heart. Feel the stillness at the start. Close our eyes and gently stay. Let the rushing world drift away. Listen closely to our soul. Hear the truth it always knows. Every breath a soft release. Every moment bringing peace. In the quiet we can see what we're meant to be. Just be. Slow it down, no need to run. All the battles can be done in the space of gentle light. Everything will be alright. Take a deep breath in, feel the air. Let it wash away despair. Relax the weight inside our mind. Leave the restless thoughts behind. Let our thinking fade to clear. Find the reason stress is here. Take a deep breath out, let go. Look inside our heart and know. See what made our spirit fall. Hidden fears behind the wall. Old reflections, silent cries. Clouded days and sleepless nights. We don't judge, we only see what is asking to be free. Every scar has something to say. Every tear has had its day. In acceptance we can heal. Feel what's real, just what we feel. No more fighting, no control. Just surrender to the soul. Slow the breath and soften time. Peace was always here, not far. When we stop and simply stay, we remember who we are. Take a deep breath in, feel the air. Let it wash away despair. Relax the weight inside our mind. Leave the restless thoughts behind. Let our thinking fade to clear. Find the reason stress is here. Take a deep breath out, let go. Look inside our heart and in the silence answers grow. Like a river moving slow. We don't force, we don't pretend. Let the broken places mend. Moment by moment, breath by breath. Life is more than fear of death. Gentle light within our chest. A quiet home, a place to rest. Every heartbeat speaks of truth. Timeless, pure, forever new. Here and now is all we need. Planting calm like a seed. Take a deep breath in, feel the air. Hold the peace we're learning there. Relax the weight inside our mind. Leave the restless thoughts behind. Let our thinking fade to clear. Find the reason stress is here. Take a deep breath out, let go. Look inside always know.